I'm in 4th year now. I don't know that I will ever go back to hostel. Today is June 20th, 2022, and I'm gonna start reading It Ends With Us. Cover is amazing. It's so pretty. Already in love with this book. Also with the line that is for my father who tries his best not to be his worst, and for my mother who made sure this is my first day reading It Ends With Us right in front of me. So I'm gonna start reading it, and it's almost like 376 pages, and I'm sure I will finish it sooner if I find it interesting, and if not, then this might take some days. Let's go for it. Day 2, I have completed chapter 1. I didn't have much time to go further, but chapter 1 was quite good. It consists of quite introduction about them both and a little conversation, and it's good. I will continue with the book. It ends with us. Day 2. So, 80 pages of too much information. They have mentioned everything, not everything, but almost little things about Atlas and how the house was so toxic for Lily, so that Dial can't get Lily out of his mind, and there is something. Till now, it looks like a sweet romantic book, but I know that it's not a romantic book at all. So we'll see what other chapters bring. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. The real story starts here, really. Like, fight. Till now we have read bullshit, but now after page 185, the real story starts here. It's taking a huge turn, like a literal plot twist, and I'm loving it. Well, every collarbone tattoo have a story. Of course, not every story is similar. Mine is totally different from what hers is. I too have a collarbone tattoo. But the last part made me anxious, really anxious. I need to calm myself down. I'm taking a break now.
While reading any book, I just keep in mind that I should not get too much involved. But the story really wants me to get involved.
Reading the last pages, part 1, made me feel really anxious. And now I need to be a chewing gum to calm myself down. It's another level. It's whole another level. All the feelings. Really, I feel so pity about her. Till now, I have understood that I really like short novels, which consist of a storyline and which goes like this happened, then this happened, then this happened. So that's my interest, and I totally respect everyone's interest, but this is my interest. And if someone will come up and say that, oh, you like romance novels, oh, you like storylines, oh, what's that mean? I kind of don't care, because I'm fine with it. Everyone have their own interest, and everyone go with their interest, and that's good for everyone. So I will continue reading It Ends With Us because I'm loving it. Started this book on around 21st, and I finished it at today is 27th, so obviously yesterday night I finished it. It took me a week because I mostly read it on weekends, because in the weekdays I am quite busy with everything. It Ends With Us. This book is, for me, it is a 4.5. 5 because it took too long in the first part to actually start the story. It was a long wait, so I will cut off the 0.5 for that. And this book is overall totally good. I will not read it again. If I have to read it, I will read certain pages, like where she has been tortured and all that, because that will remind me that yeah, you should stay grounded and all that. And so some pages, like from page number 185, I will prefer reading that part, not whole book, because the starting part is all filled up and all that. I will read the parts where Atlas and Lily are together, like when they have the conversation and all that. The next book I'm gonna start is I guess Persepolis, because I have already read a few pages, like this much, and I will finish it on my train journey. Persepolis. I have covered it with my art. Something I have drawn this, and it's quite good to cover the book. It doesn't damage the cover. See, this one is damaged. So I'm gonna finish reading Persepolis on my way back to hostel. I will most probably go back on 18th, and I will finish it on my train journey because it's a long journey. I will make sure to put up a vlog for that as well, back to hostel.